Hey guys, it's Poochie. Today I'm going to tell you about a site called bstock.com. Now, what is it? Okay, so some people like to do drop shipping, some people like to do private labels, some people like to do their own retail arbitrage or their own either purchasing from wholesalers or drop shipping from wholesalers. Some people like to do liquidation. So this is liquidation, okay? What bstock is, let me show you what it is, okay? It's a way to source liquidation products to resell, okay? No middleman, no markups. You're buying direct from the retailers and from the brands. There's all sorts of stuff on here, from detailed listings to itemized manifest, the quantity, quality, and condition, customer service. Now, here's how it works. You have to register, okay? Here's how it works. You don't just register on bstock, right? You register on the actual sites. So you see one or more marketplaces you like, you apply to bid on that marketplace. So if you want to bid on Walmart, you register on Walmart. Amazon, you register on Amazon. Costco, you register on Costco. And these are actual liquidation auctions. See Walmart liquidation auctions, Costco liquidation auctions. You get approved, okay? Then you start bidding, okay? And then you start winning, hopefully, okay? So here are some of the sites that you can source from if you want to start doing liquidation, or if you already do liquidation and you haven't used this site. Nordstrom Rack, Walmart liquidation auctions, Best Buy, Unilever, Costco, Dell Outlet, Target liquidations, Amazon, and more. Home Depot, okay? And let's see. Here's more. Advanced Auto Parts. There are all sorts. And then you can go by region, right? If you say, I want to do all regions, I want to do just the United States. Okay, looks like it cut one out down here. So BJ's you can source from, all these places for the liquidation items. Okay, so the beauty in this is when you're doing liquidations, usually you can do either new products, shelf pulls, or customer returns, uninspected customer returns, or then you have salvage. Now, if you're going to be selling on an e-commerce platform, you can be reselling on Amazon or eBay or Facebook Marketplace or wherever. I'm not going to recommend that you do the salvage items, because that's going to be, you probably want to just do Craigslist or something for that. So here's all the places: Zulily, Wayfair, all these places that you can bid on their liquidation. Woot, which is an Amazon company, all sorts, okay? You can also look by category. So let's say you don't want to really do clothing, right? You don't want to really do clothing, but you do really well with like home and garden stuff. Okay, so home and garden, here we go. Home and garden, and we want to again say United States. Okay, so then it's going to show you all the home and garden places. I don't know if I'd actually qualify Advanced Auto Parts as home and garden, but oh no, I have to go back. That's why. Okay, now it's off there. Amazon, and now it's going back to all regions. I don't know. Anyway, you guys can figure it out, right? Hopefully. See, it keeps clicking back, but we'll just keep it on home and garden. So home and garden, you have liquidation from Costco, from Amazon. JCPenney has liquidation, Home Shopping Network, Lowe's, QVC, Sam's Club, all sorts of stuff. Sears and Kmart, Walmart, all sorts of places. So this is a really, really good website to find all the places where you can sign up and register to bid on their liquidation auctions. Let's go to Target, okay? Let's register at Target and see what it looks like. Okay, so hold on just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so once you enter your email address, okay, you're just going to have to fill out the form normally. First name, last name, phone number, address, etc. Some places I think you have to enter your EIN or your tax number or your tax, if you have sales tax ID in order to be tax exempt. But yeah, that's all you do. And let's go back and look at, who else? Let's say Nordstrom Rack. Let's say we do want to do clothing, okay? So Nordstrom Rack, here we go. Here, they're going to show us some of their items before we have to even sign up, which is cool. So look at those boots. Oh man, ankle breakers. One pallet of accessories, footwear and apparel by, I don't know how to pronounce that, Rado, Hugo Boss, and more. 347 units. Okay, the current bid is $2,075. Okay, so it's $5.98 per unit. Not sure if this one, oh my God, looks like a baby deer. I'm not sure if this one has manifest or not, but it's coming from Vancouver, Washington. And if you want to bid, you have to sign up, etc. It doesn't show you. That makes me sad for every Bambi there is. Okay, so here's one where it actually kind of shows you what you're getting. So if you look at the photo, okay, there's Nike, looks like Michael Kors. I can't see the rest, but maybe those are Crocs. So some good brands if you can figure like where you can sell those, because on Amazon, you have to be ungated to list the category, and you want to make sure that on eBay it's not a Vero, the brand, and on eBay you want to make sure it's not a Vero brand. Okay, but there's always Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Mercari, Poshmark, etc. Right? So the current bid is $18.36. That is $4.32 per unit, or per pair of shoes, I guess. I assume it's a pair of shoes and not per shoe, because that would suck, wouldn't it? Okay, so there you see what Nordstrom Rack is like. Where else should we go? Let's go to Amazon, right? Register with Amazon liquidation auctions. Okay, so here you have home. I was talking about home, right? So you have to log in, and you have to, oh, it ended too, so you're not going to really find anything there. Look, this is 57 cents per unit. Not sure about that. Yeah, it looks like it was 8 pallets of home goods. Dang, that's a lot. 1 pallet of toys. Average cost per unit, $95.78. That is a lot per unit for liquidation. So basically, I think you have to kind of, you can look on the conditions and everything else, but I think basically you have to register and see, in order to see all the lots, what everything is selling for, etc. Okay, and if you have stuff that you actually want to sell, look at here. Need a liquidation solution? Start here. So if you want to liquidate stuff, you can also sell with them. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to be a pretty big brand or company in order to do that. But let's go to Home Depot and see. Truckload, 19 pallets of mixed merchandise for $5,525. Truckload, 17 pallets, $1,501. Wow, that seems cheap. Let's look at that one. Okay, well, it's actually not going to tell us anything about it unless we are approved, register, and log in, I guess. But you see kind of how it works. And some of the items that are returned are brand new. That doesn't mean you can sell them as new on Amazon, because Amazon's picky about that. But if you want to, I guess you could, but Amazon says if you get things from like a liquidation source, and technically it's not a new product. It's been in hands before. Let's look at what else they have. Walmart. Okay, $1 start prices I saw. Okay, so Salvage TV. See, this is what I'm saying not to do unless you specialize in, repairing things or parting out things, then don't go for salvage stuff. General merchandise is great. The problem is that if you have a pool table or a treadmill, for instance, those are hard units to sell online because you're going to have to ship them, okay? Bikes and ride-ons, kind of the same thing. If you have a local audience you can sell to, that's great. Otherwise, maybe stay more towards appliances. Let's look at appliances. 24 pallets. Okay, 852 units. Ext retail. I don't know what Ext is, but usually it's estimated retail or approximate retail, 41,592. And so you're getting it for 8,800, which is what, 20-something percent. It's $10.36 per unit. It doesn't say whether they're used. You want to make sure, uninspected returns, salvage, etc. You want to make sure that you always check to see if things are new, like shelf pulls, if they're uninspected customer returns, if they are salvage, etc. So there you go, guys. bstock.com. That is a great place for you to sign up for liquidation sites. And as I showed you before, there's a lot of them. I mean, there's a lot of look at all these. I mean, Hanes Brands, QVC, Universal Athletic, Walgreens. I mean, there's tons. Signature Hardware, Select Mobile Auctions, Kind Snacks. Kind Snacks. Oh yeah, I know who they are. We sell their products. So yeah, you could do a liquidation, sign up for liquidation auctions for Kind Snacks too. Kind of a specialty thing. But there you go. If you want more information, just comment to the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the page for more like this. I'm always trying to give you free information that's helpful, and we'll be doing a lot more of that this coming year. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Have a good one.